We're going to upload recipes out of a MapleSystem HMI using Project Manager. Project Manager comes along with the MapleSystem software, which is free on their website. So if we open up the MapleSystems folder, we'll find Project Manager. When Project Manager opens up, select the appropriate HMI. I'm using a 5080T. Make sure your passwords and everything are good. We're going to upload the recipes out. In order to do that, you're going to select RW and RW_A. Then you're going to have to browse to find a place to put those files it's going to upload out. You can just make a folder on your desktop so you can find them easily. When I'm doing the RW, I will name that file RW. When I'm doing the RW_A, it's the RW_A for the name. Put your IP address in, hit upload. It'll go out, communicate to the HMI. If you can see the screen of the HMI, you'll see it says some things. It'll stop the program. Once it's done, it'll restart the program. If you can see it, if you can't, as long as you can communicate, we can pull these out like this. Once it says finish, these files have been pulled off of the HMI, and if you go and you look, it'll store those files in the folder that you told it to. So in this case, it puts an RCP at the end of it. Now, once you get them off, to get them onto the next HMI, you may need to use a different version of your MapleSystems software depending on what HMI that you're putting them onto. But once again, you'll go and open up Project Manager, and you'll select your HMI that you want to go to. In this case, I'm going to put them back onto a 5080T. Now I'm going to hit download. And here I'm going to uncheck the project and the firmware as long as that's already on the HMI you're going into and you're just trying to transfer recipes. Select the recipe file RW, and then you're going to want to select the RWA file. Once you have those selected, you put your IP address in if it's not there. You can hit reboot HMI, and then just hit download. It'll reach out to the HMI, it'll download the history files or the recipe files, and then it should restart the project. Once it says finished here, those recipes should be back onto that HMI once the project restarts.